check out the Patreon and gain access to all the source code. Hey, welcome to this new part 18 of the Paragon System tutorial series. So today we'll just add in so you can apply and remove the auras, and then we are soon to be done. So not that much more. So let's just get started. First off, what we want to do is that we want to make a new function here called function, and then apply aura. And in here you want the player and you want entry key. Now down here write local UID equals player and then colon get UID low. Next, local data equals players with uppercase. And the reason why we're doing uppercase is again because we have the players stored in our list or table up here. Players UID dot data. So we want to get the data table under the player with this UID. So we get their auras or the data for the auras. Next, we want to loop over and then add each one, like add a stack and add one of them. So let's do it. For key, comma, value in pairs data do and then an end button. So now we have our loop here. Now let's do this. So that would be if key equals entry key, then so if this key we use to go over everything is equals to the entry key. So now we write local has aura equals to player with lowercase colon has aura like this, and in here you say spell list key dot spell underscore ID, because that's how we have it in the database. As you see down here, we have it as spell ID. Next, what we want to do now, and before I go any further here, if you need to like figure out, because this is Eluna calls or functions, just go to eluna.sylcore.org and then you can see just by searching has aura. You can see here has aura, add aura, or get aura. Let's continue. Next, what we want to do is that if we already have the aura, we don't want to add an aura, we would just want to add to the stack. So if has aura and just then and local new stack amount equals player colon get aura. Again, this is an Eluna call. And then we say spell list key dot spell ID, and outside here you do colon get stack amount +1 like this. So what you are doing here is, if we go on the Eluna again and you just click here and click on aura here, so what we are doing is that we are getting the stack amount. So we get the stack amount, then we +1 to it, and by doing the +1 that makes it so now we can then set the new stack amount. So player colon get aura like before, and in here it's spell list key spell ID, then colon set stack amount, and in here it's just a new stack amount. And then write else, and inside here you say this is if we don't have the aura already, then we need to add it first, since we can't add a stack to an aura that doesn't exist. So here we say player colon add aura to add it, and then we say spell list key dot spell ID comma player. So the spell ID and who it should be cast on, or the person casting it, which is the player, but yeah, doesn't really matter, it just needs that. And then we here write return. So now we will go down and actually remove all auras, so we will make the function to do that. So write function remove all auras, and in the argument we write player. Then we write again, we actually write the same as we did up here, so just copy this and put it down here. Next we say for entry key comma value comma, oh not comma, in pairs, and here you write data and then AIO down here and end. Awesome. Now we want to check if we have or if we are hitting the entry keys for any of the wrong ones. So we want to say if entry key and then the squirrely kind of break, the squirrely thing, line equals points, and entry key squirrel line equals GUID, and entry key squirrel line equals current XP, and entry key squirrel line equals level, then end. And then we want to say a local has aura equals player colon has aura, and inside here spell list UID again, oh not UID, entry key dot spell ID, and then we say if has aura, then put player colon remove aura, and then spell list entry key dot spell ID. Oh. So that was all for today. We just made so we can remove all auras when you reset everything. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.